Okay, hello guys and welcome. Okay, so today I want to share the mapping video explanation what happened at current market price, especially gold. Okay, because yeah, we know have trading war which is from US increase their tariff, and now today at current moment is already return again or reverse, which is their pause their tariff on 90 days, not cancel, just pause, but the impact still moving up because this is a gold, and gold, what we can say, this is safe haven. Okay, so market still not under control. That's why big player or others investor will pump gold. Okay, so this is the main reason and why gold fly above 1000 pip on daily, and until now gold still keep rising. Okay, so let's talk about gold and the direction. Yeah, absolutely buy based on the breakout of daily here on the resistance daily. Yeah, buy based on daily, and based on H4 perspective also respect on buy. This is the main reason. Support respect and resistance breakout also continuation of buy. And yesterday on H1, if you cannot see the H4 or daily confirmation, you can reduce the time frame. Okay, if you can see on H4, you can find at H1. If you can't see at H1, you can find at H4 or MT. Okay, yesterday I'm giving this mapping, which is this signal I giving after breakout. This is resistance. Okay, resistance here. Okay, this is candle break. Okay, this is already pullback. This is pullback, and entry. Okay, we already missed here. Miss around 300 or 400 pips above fly. But at US session, gold still giving the chances to us, which is at this moment, at this zone, which is we have H1 support, which is this is still fresh and still not coming. And yesterday we buy at this area, we buy, and at the same time this is clear break, pull back, and this is entry, which is buy again. Okay, so on M15 on lower time frame, this is H1. M30 also have breakout buy, at this area. Okay, which is this is RBS, and go respect this zone and flying, and this is my zone at 3045 yesterday and fly almost 800 pips until now. And the reason why gold pull back, this is pullback candle. Okay, pullback candle around 400 pips from here to here, around almost 500 pips. First, this is the reason announcement Trump pause the tariff announcement, and this is the impact, but this is just a pullback. Why pullback? Because at M30 on H1 or M30 and H1, okay, let's say M30, this is support and engulfing at this zone, and it's rejection, giving a candle rejection. I already share. Okay, every zoning that you marking, you need to monitor rejection and respect or breakout. If respect like this, you should find buy. If I have pullback, you find buy at M5 and M15 as a positioning. H1, M30, H4 is zoning. Okay, you need to always remember this. Okay, now gold already fly, and daily candle open today, which is at this area, is the lowest. So marking the lowest point and the shadow daily today. Okay, then turn to H1. Okay, M30. Okay, for this level I cannot see the anything. Okay, I cannot see. Maybe if I at the moment I will not buy, but after break this level, it show a PO, and this is a pullback, and then they take the support and fly. So have potential for upcoming movement for gold. Gold still can fly around first on H1 zone. Zone breakout. Where is zone breakout here? Gold still have potential to pull back into the zone, which is 100 pip zone lah. Okay, because the movement is so wide, so 100 pips is reasonable. Okay, so H4 didn't have a quite shadow. Okay, this is I find a potential buy first. Okay, so this is H1, which is this is first potential buy, which is until this zone. Okay, if zone breakout, we need to waiting around this support. Okay, guys, for now this is zone continuation. If have possibility continue buy at this zone, because this is already break, but this is last. Okay, this is still respect. Okay, I find buy first. Okay, I focus on buy because the movement, the momentum 100% on buy, and currently at extremely fear. So not all trader will trade during this market condition, but I just share the mapping and what will happen on next. Okay, so if we using indicator trend line, also uptrend. We marking from here to here, also uptrend. So this is the one of zoning. Okay, you can monitor, you can precise by your own. You want to find from here to here or find here to here, it's up to you, but just focus on RBS, because right now gold solid breakout at the highest, which is breakout high. So you need to focus 100% buy. Okay, to identify gold 140, make sure gold break this level, support 1, support 2. If gold can break this support, we can find sell until this support. If break this support, we can find sell until this support. Okay, as for now, gold still on bullish running. Okay, if gold not coming back, don't worry, do not overtrade, do not trading. Okay, do not trade, because we only trade at the right timing, at the right moment, because we want try to avoid the big floating, because gold moving in big movement, which is in big momentum, 100 pips, 150 pips, 200 pips before it fly again. And during sideways also can giving 300 pips in the range. Even on N5, M1 also can giving 50 pip, 100 pip in 1 minute candle. Okay, this is what we talk about, how to ride the trend of buy. Okay, let's say if you want try to find sell. Okay, by the way, to find sell is not wrong. Okay, but a bit risk, because the momentum, the volatility is very quietly buy. Okay, but if still want to find sell, okay, make sure you need to identify where's the resistance. Okay, so this is first resistance fresh, still not coming at 3135. This is daily resistance. And then when we turn to H4 have SNS here, but this level already collect during NFP. If you remember, this is zone NFP. Okay, this level, this is NFP, which is last Friday already collect. That means this level is not fresh on H4. It's not fresh, but have possibility, because this is 1 touch, 2 touch, and this is 3 touch. Okay, have possibility go directly break. But in case still respect on 3rd touch, we need to waiting any candle at lower TF, lower time frame, have make it any breakout, solid rejection. Maybe you can start slowly to find sell. But for me, it's very high risk, dangerous to find sell at current moment, because the zone is not fresh on H4. On H1, if H1 not fresh, H1, okay, H1 here. Okay, H1 here. till here. Okay, this is zone H1, and the second zone H1 around here. Okay, this is observation. This is just learning process. Okay, this is just learning how to mark in the zone, how to identify the zone, and how to know the zone is valid, how to know the zone is can be down or make it a rejection. Okay, so for gold, actually, yeah, gold already overbought and already too high. Okay, yeah, has potential, gold can fall in, but to find sell is not easy. To find sell is not easy. We need to have a solid momentum, which is we need to have this momentum. If have this momentum, rejection like this, have solid candle close momentum, solid candle, and after this we can find sell on the third candle, which is after falling we can proceed. We cannot sell at the highest if didn't have any confirmation. Okay, because this is already not price 1, 2, 3 or 4. But if still respect at this area, yeah, still can falling around 300-400 pip to reach this level or reach this level to continuation of buy. Okay, but as for now, the gold is moving a big volatility, big volume. That's why I said it's not good to trade at during right now, because London session still not open yet, right? Around 3 hours from now, and more better you need to wait at US session. But overall, for me, I still want buy gold. Okay, my direction only buy. If didn't have any breakout sell, I will buy. Okay, no confirmation, no trading. If one go on self trading, go on, but I will back on US session, and today I will give in signal at trading bootcamp, but only one signal. Okay, so that's all. So see you guys later.